Thanks for stopping by. Now let's be honest, if you are like me who have watched a lot of videos out there on photography and filmmaking on YouTube, and you might be still looking for a new type of content because things are starting to loop around, and you might be stuck at your level of bottleneck trying to break through that threshold. Well, this is a place where we make videos to help you along the way, because those 5 tips and tricks won't really get you there. They never explain or go deep enough to tell you why. They're very skill-based and not theory-based. Now, we're not talking about theory in a very deep and difficult to understand kind of sense. Art theory videos are also pretty lengthy. So I have created this channel to bring hybrid style videos to empower photographers and filmmakers to understand photography even deeper through art and design principles. My vision is to counter all the fast food tutorials out there with eye-opening ideas, long-lasting knowledge, and also relevant photo challenges that will help and inspire all image makers out there to get over the creative bottleneck. So if this is for you, hit subscribe and be part of a family that's equally passionate about the art of photography and eager to learn from the next new content coming up.